Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I am sharing a Happy Mail swap that I am doing with Marissa. She is Fun Size Crafter over on Instagram. I will try and link her Instagram down below. We have decided to do a Project Life card swap. We sent each other a list of the Project Life card collections that we had, and then we chose which ones we were going to swap. I've made these packages from the kits that I have, and the first one is the Charming edition, and I just repackaged some of them in these sleeves. And then this one is the Amber collection, and some of them I had more cards in than others because I've swapped these before. This is the Maggie Holmes set, and the Coral, Modern, Vintage Travel, and the Baby Boy edition. So those are the Project Life cards that I'm going to be sending her. And I'm shipping my package in one of the flat rate bubble mailers. It cost $9.65 to ship. So in there, I'm going to try to squeeze in these items. I picked up this chunky notebook at Hobby Lobby on clearance, so I'm going to share that with her. I specifically picked this up for her and another swap that I'm doing. This is a little card that Patricia made for me. I just wrote her a note in here. I'm sharing this chipboard popsicle with her. In this sleeve, a variety of tags. Hopefully she can use these in her projects and in her Happy Mail. In this gold envelope, I am sharing butterfly stickers, a sheet of enamel dots, and two of these large, like coin type envelopes. And in this little packet, I am sharing a variety of all items from my stash. I have a couple of fun stickers that I think she might enjoy. This one I had to fold in half. Target banner set, a package of Heidi Swap tags, some stickers, and some labels. In this one, I am just sharing some postcards, and these are from Paper Love books. So these are just a variety of postcards she can use in her Happy Mail, and then a postcard from one of a coloring postcard book that I have. A package of chipboard. This is also Heidi Swap. And in this little envelope, I am sharing some washi tape, a baggie of buttons, a chapstick, a package of gem hearts, and this is a little container full of all little flat back cabochons and cuteness in there, sharing those, and then a package of wood cameras, some wood veneers. So that's it. That is my swap for Fun Size Crafter over on Instagram. Marissa, I hope you like the items that I'm sending you. Bye, guys. Hey, everyone. It's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today, I am sharing the Happy Mail swap that I received from Marissa. She is Fun Sized Crafter over on Instagram. We decided to do a Project Life card swap. We swapped the list of the Project Life card kits that we had, and then we sent each other the items. She sent me this super cute note. It says, "Thanks a wonton." How cute is that? I already opened up the package. The first kit is the Craft Project Life kit, and these are the cards inside. I'm not going to go through the individual packages right now. I can do that if you guys want to see what the what cards are inside each kit. This is the Click. This is the Aqua kit. That's cute. And the Doodle. The Neapolitan. Forever Young. And Prismatic. I cannot wait to dive into these cards. I have been spending the last couple of days organizing all of my Project Life cards and making room for my new set. If you purchase Project Life kits, you know that there's usually 4 to 6, sometimes more of these 3x4 cards, and then 2 to 3 of the larger ones. And this is a great way to not have to purchase so many kits because you can just swap them with someone else. And so I sent her 7 of the kits that I had, and she has sent me 7 of the kits that she has, and now we both have double the kit. In addition to that, we decided to add some additional goodies. So in her package, she sent me this super cute macaron washi tape, and I don't have this one, so thank you so much for that. And also this set of glass beads in the green. Green is my favorite color. And I actually don't have this one. I think the only one that I have is pink. Thank you for those. These cool chalkboard tags. And she sent these really cute stamps. I'm going to put them down there so that you don't have to see the glare. And these are like a tiger, stay wild. I don't have anything like these. It's very cool. This set is a different kind of tiger, and then it also has an alpha on the back, and these are really unique. They have designs in the letters. That's very cool. Thank you so much for sharing those. She shared this cute Every Summer Has a Story. This is the Happy Planner notebook. I love notebooks. This is so cute. Going into my notebook stash for sure. She shared this awesome boho sticker pad. And I love this. I actually don't have a lot of purple things, so this is going to be great for decorating my journal with, and it's going to go right into my sticker collection. I love it. I love these clear ones. They're beautiful. And that's my swap. I will link what I sent her up above here, and I will also link her Instagram down below. Marissa, thank you so much for doing this Project Life card swap. I hope you enjoy the kits that I sent you. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.